In this video, I'm going to talk about the focal lengths of the surveillance camera. Most of the time, as a business owners, you might have installed the camera in your shop lots, your offices, and your workplace, your factories, your yards, and different places. The purpose is to collect the solid evidence, to prevent loss, to avoid damages, and protect the people, and monitoring, and some remote monitoring, and much more. What happens if you cannot collect the solid evidence? You have a good intention to collect the solid evidence. The moment you have an intention and you are passing that intention to the contractors and the installers, they are working like a robots. You are requested for the camera, I'm giving the camera. They do not connect with you deeply. What is your intention and what kind of information you are going to capture and how that helps you achieve your business growth? You have to connect with them deeply and they have to connect with you deeply so that what exactly you are looking for. In this video, I'm going to share the knowledge about the focal length and how that helps you capture the detailed image during the installation of the camera, or detail it so that you can contact the contractors or installers so that that helps you achieve your desired results. I'm Adam. I'm in this business for the 19 years. I'm delivering peace of mind for the business owners, and I'll be talking about mostly about the technology in an easy to understand way for the business owners or IT professions or contractors, so that that helps you make a quick decision like what kind of information do you need. If you'd like to cover more topic about a technology, I can collect a genuine information for you and I can share with you. Let's dive into the topic, the focal length. What exactly is focal length? Focal length is something similar to the human eye. How far you can see, how wide you can see, how clear you can see, how can you see at the dark, and how can you see at the night. Just consider this focal length as an eye for the security camera. The moment you are going to wrongly select the wrong focal length for the camera, the whole thing is been collapsed. So the intention, your investment, everything has been collapsed. So the moment you are going to ask the contractors, I want to capture this kind of information and this kind of evidence, no matter how, what kind of light, I want to capture this kind of information. The focal length helps you design your complete surveillance system for your business. The more the coverage, the more the quality of the image, the less the camera can be used. So the focal length comes with 2.8 mm, 4 mm, 6 mm, and 12 mm. The 2.8 mm is going to be the shortest one. The number, the shortest distance is going to cover. The longer the number, the longer distance is going to cover. So the longer will be like a 12 mm. So the longer the number, so it will be like an arrow. Like the 2.8 mm will be like something broad, whereas 12 mm will be something narrow. So it will be focusing only to that particular point. So you can consider like how far you want to capture the detailed image. Selecting the proper focal length helps you enhance your efficiency of the security camera. So normally, like if you want to cover the long distance or short distance, or you are in a confusion of what kind of camera I'm going to select, there is another option which is a varifocal lens. Varifocal lens can be adjusted the lens how far you want to see. Like you want to cover the short distance or you want to cover the long distance. The longer distance, you can adjust the lens, what kind of distance you want to cover. It's something like you are wearing a power glass, seeing something far. You consider this way so that it will help you achieve the result. Simply saying like a focal lens is something like a human eye, like how clear you can see, how far you can see, how wide you can see. That can reduce the total cost of the installation, total cost of the surveillance security system. So the surveillance camera can capture, the focal lens can capture the solid evidence, crystal clear image, so that you will not be losing your credibility, you will not be getting frustrated through selecting the proper focal lens. From the reputed manufacturers, they are producing the camera with the different focal lens for the purpose of protecting the people or protecting the property. And also, this camera will be having some different kind of zooming technology and image processing and some distortion kind of algorithm, like a distortion, how they want to capture the solid evidence. Everything has been built into the security camera. The intention is to capture the solid evidence. So you have to select the proper focal lens by using this kind of lenses, like whether it's going to be a varifocal lens or it's going to be a fixed lens. Fixed lens is something only is cannot be adjusted, whereas the varifocal lens it can be adjusted. So let's comment on this. Like any of your friends have faced this kind of situation, like they have installed the camera but they cannot collect the solid evidence, and they have been like stressed without having a solid evidence. And please comment me on this, like what kind of topic you want to cover so that I can explain you in an easy to understandable manner. Please comment below and please subscribe this channel. I can help you more. I can help you. I can share you. Please press the subscribe button for more videos. And if you feel like this video is valuable, please click the like button. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. See you next time.